trying to just prepare a LAN cable which can connect to the internet. Not internet. We're trying to get to the internet to download some components from the Linux server about the global. Okay, so let's follow the SOP to type some command. You can see this one. This one is your LAN cable's connector. So we're trying to enable it. You can see is active successfully. Okay, so let's install some component from the internet. Okay, now it's trying to install. If they trying to ask you about trying to send yes or no, just type yes. Okay, so after we download it, now we're trying to set the LAN configuration. So now we need to let this LAN port have the highest how to say that, to be the administrator. this one is this one. This is your LAN port. Okay, you see. Okay, trying to type it again. Oh, this is my typo. Okay. You can see now it's trying to be the administrator. Okay, so now we need to use the VI program to edit about this LAN configuration. Okay, so now we get into the VI program. We need to edit some part of the system. You could just follow the SOP to edit it. At first, we need to type I to get into the edit mode. So now, after I type I, we can insert we can do some edit. Okay, so the type is internet boot. Some part need to be deleted, some part need to keep it.谢谢。1、2、3、4、5、6、 They totally have 12 items. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 156 157 158 159 160 161 setting. Internet, DHCP, default route yes, IPv4 failure yes, MPU 9000, IPv6 INT no, IP address IP ADDR 918. Net mask 2550 gateway 192.168.1.1 name device on boot yes. Okay, so after we just done of our edit, we need to press this sign and W and Q. This. Oh, now we need to press ESC to get out of the insert mode. Okay, so now we just get out to the insert mode. Now we need to press this. Okay, let me show you. W and Q. Okay, so now we just down of the so now we're trying to install we down for all the setting about them part, but now we need to install the server RPM of our AVAS 212 the system. Okay, now we're trying to find the USB disk which we plug into our server. Okay, the USB disk might be the DEV SDB1. You can see maybe let us found it. Okay, try it again. Oh, here, SDB1. And we need to mount this device. For example, we mount it at the MNT. Oh, this is my typo. Okay, now we just mount our USB to the MNT. So now we're trying to go to the MNT. You can see this is all the files that in our USB disk. Okay, so now we're trying to copy the installer to the home direct. CP MNT RPM part. You can see, you can find that RPM is this one. RPM. We're trying to copy to the home. Okay, let's copy it down, and we need to copy another one. CON, this one. Okay, let's be done. Okay, so now we need to unmount our USB. But we cannot unmount at MNT because we just mount our USB on MNT. So we need to get to the, maybe for example, go to VAR first, and then we can unmount MNT. Okay, we just unmount the USB. So now we're trying to install the RPM package. Just directly to have the command RPM-I home bearer. This one, and then just press enter. You will see there's a lot of warning, but just don't worry, because the worry just means that we didn't have some how to say that we didn't have some relation about this part, so we just using the root right to just install the RPM. So after we're done, later we're trying to enable the Masternode service, to install the AVAS server. Enable. MASTER NODE SERVICE. Okay, we just enable it, and we also need to start it. START. Okay. So now we're trying to configure the firewall. SH OPT SIGNAX G Sigma XG MASTER NODE MISC Fire such. Okay, they'll be serious about the success. Okay, so later we need to change the logo. For example, you can see there have our RPM file and the zip file. So now we're trying to unzip. Unzip the file. Okay, when we're trying to, you can see after we unzip, there are some folder here. So we need to get into the CD. Get into it. You can see that. So we need to sudo. Home. Here we need to type Advantech, ADVANTECH. Okay, so I think everything will be done. Okay, so now we're trying to reboot the system. Every command and every setting you can find it in the SOP document. The video record just got you to be easily to know which command I type and which folder is located. Okay, so since you see here, after you be installed, all the process is be done. Since the server is running, since the AVAS system is ongoing, you don't need to have any display or you need to log in. Just that it will be automatically run by itself. Okay, thanks.